Hey everybody, welcome back to Turn Off VR. Today we are doing a head-to-head comparison between two awesome head straps for your Meta Quest 3 and 3S. We're looking at the BOBOVR S3 Pro. We're looking at the KKCOBVR Q3U. Let's jump right into it here. We're going to do a quick overview of each of them and then get into our direct comparisons. Many of us are very familiar with the BOBOVR S3 Pro. It is a halo type strap. Our connections here to attach to the arms is a friction slide there, which allows you to adjust that forward and backward a little bit. As we move up, we do have our first pivot point along the bottom right there, allowing us to adjust that. Our arm moves up to our forehead piece where we have our fan, which we will talk about momentarily. Our forehead padding is a nice leather material. You can use Nexus Orbit's Ice Silk and Ice Gel padding as well that they've made for this accessory, which is kind of cool. We have our top goat horn padding that can be adjusted slightly or removed completely as well. We got our pivot point right here. Our back padding is very thick. It is also a leather material, very flexible, so it can form to the back of your head. We've got our battery spot right there. We've got our dial in the back to adjust that tightness. Some cable management tools here. Our fan button right there, and then it connecting into our headset. So if we do just a little try on here for you, let's put this on. For my larger head, I have to kind of adjust this down so these top pads don't dig into my head so much. Otherwise, they really do. It's a comfortable head strap. The large back pad does well at really cradling your head and distributing that weight. These top pads do help alleviate some of the weight off the front of your face as well. And then the forehead padding is large going all the way across. That does help. Our fan, again, is right over here. You can turn that on and then move that dial up or down to adjust that fan. We're going to turn that off for the moment being though. Our battery is a hot swappable 10,000 mAh battery. You can buy multiple of them, so you can pretty much have endless game time with this one. Our overall weight for this one is about 560 grams when I measured it in. This used to be one of the heavier ones. Now we've got some even heavier ones like we're going to see today. 560 is still over a pound if you're in the US. So it is quite a bit of extra weight on there, but it does do good at distributing that weight. It is noticeable, and I'll be very honest with you, when I first tried this out, I was a little bit underwhelmed because everybody was raving about it. It's good, but I wouldn't say it's outstanding. There are better ones in terms of comfort out there, in my opinion. Price point, we were looking at $90 on their website. It does go on sale on Amazon every once in a while, so you can always watch for those as well. And yeah, that's an overview of our S3 Pro. If we take a look at our Q3U, it connects differently to our head strap here. You can see it has the overarm clip instead of the friction slides. And then we'll move right into it there. We have our dial, which allows us to adjust that distance from the headset to your face. And it clicks, which is really nice, really easy to adjust. I'll show you when I'm wearing it there. First pivot point is also here, moving into our forehead pad where we have our fan. This fan is actually removable. It's magnetic. Takes a little bit of weight off if you don't want to use it, and it easily attaches via the magnet there. Our forehead padding is a very thick leather material, very thick padding, I would say, and it's very wide as well, which is nice. We also have a top strap right here with some padding going between instead of the goat horns that we saw over there. We will discuss that later as well. Our back pad is leather all the way around, very large again, as you can see, and very thick padding as well. Hot swappable battery there, we'll talk about that in a moment. We have our whole back system here, so this is different. We do have our knob to adjust the tightness, but then we do have a fan here and a fan there. You can see where the fan air comes out of. And then we have an auxiliary port, a headphone jack right there on the bottom for you to use as well. So for Quest 3S users, that is a big plus. We have our cable management coming to the side, going right in there. Another thing I want to note right now before I forget is this comes with adapters to actually make this an elite style strap as well. with the little screwdriver provided, you can get in behind here, undo the screws on both sides, undo the little electrical cord there, and then put these on instead so that you have an Elite style strap or a Halo strap option. With the Elite style, you're obviously losing the forehead fan piece there, but you can still use the rear fans there. Pretty cool that it has both options for you to use all in one. Our battery is similar to the S3 Pro, 10,000 mAh. This is their new P3 battery, so you can purchase multiple of them and pretty much have endless game time, similar to the S3 Pro. Let's do a try on here. Fits very nicely. Again, like I said before, that padding all around is really thick. It does a really good job at having it on there. These dials are great to adjust the distance of that headset super easily and very smoothly as well. And as you can see now, I actually have the fans on without the battery on. You're able to run the fans off of your Quest 3 battery, which is pretty cool. It's obviously going to drain your battery a little bit more, but if you want to get rid of a little bit of weight and still have the fans maybe for a short workout session or something like that, you're able to do that and still take advantage of having the extra cooling system on there. This little dial in the back adjusts the speed. Maybe you can hear that now. Pretty powerful. You can really feel that on the back of your neck. The forehead one here, maybe hear that there too. Also puts air on the front of your face. Let's just turn that off there. Let's talk about overall weight. With the battery on this, everything on it, the Halo type strap on it, we are looking at 680 grams, 120 more grams than the S3 Pro, the heaviest head strap that I have tested to date. Before it was the BS1 by AMVR, that was about 630 grams, but 680 now takes the cake. However, how they've designed this with this top strap on here, it does a pretty good job at dispersing that weight, putting that around your head so you don't feel the fatigue so much. Over an extended period of time, you are going to feel that, but to get the extra cooling systems and everything, they've opted to have it be a little bit heavier. Let's talk about price as well. We are looking at $89.99, same price as the S3 Pro. This is on the KKCOBVR website, so the base price is the same between the two. Now let's do our comparison here. If we are talking about fan power, if we're just talking about the forehead fan, the S3 Pro's fan is more powerful than the Q3U fan. That's just for the forehead fan. If we talk about the whole cooling system overall, these rear fans are actually quite powerful, as you could hear, and it does make a difference in my opinion, keeping me cooler, having that air going down the back of my neck. If you're more worried about face sweat, that's your big concern, the S3 Pro's fan is going to be more important for you for sure, in my opinion. So fan-wise, for your face, the S3 Pro wins. Overall coolness, the Q3U does do a good job, and I do like that cooling system overall. Weight-wise, S3 Pro is lighter. Price point, they are the same. Battery capacity, they are the same. Overall comfort and adjustability, the Q3U, in my opinion, does win. I like the padding better on this one. I like how it distributes the weight better with our top pad here. I love these dials that they have on the side there as well. And it comes with the options to turn it into an Elite style strap. That would be as if you could change the S3 Pro to an E3 Pro just with a few screws and swap it between them. So I do like that one does do that. These fans work without having the battery on them. The S3 Pro, you have to have that external battery on there. And so really, if you want to do a quick workout with less weight, the Q3U is going to allow you to do that for sure. Both are great head straps. We know that the S3 Pro has been around for years. People call it the king of head straps. However, some other companies now are making some great ones here that are creating more competition. Which one would I choose? It's a close call between them. I do like the lighter weight and I do like the stronger forehead fan that the S3 Pro offers, but I find this one to be a bit more comfortable overall, and the overall coolness is still pretty good with that having it on the back of your neck as well. Close call between the two. I hope giving you all this information has helped you out. If you have any more questions about them, and maybe something that I didn't cover, please let me know in the comments. I'm more than happy to answer there. Thank you for watching this one. We'll see you next time here on True North VR.